drink. We just came out to drink chai. So stay tuned for the ginger tea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another experience. Today, this video is about the tremendous amount of snow that Toronto got in the last few days, and it was, believe me, record-breaking snow that literally made people of Toronto to stay inside their home because they couldn't come out because of so much snow. All roads were closed, nobody could come out, and it was very difficult for everybody. It looks amazing, but it was very difficult for me to keep my face outside during the snowstorm because my cheeks were literally burning from the snow. As you can see, it is so difficult to walk in snow, and we couldn't go from this route because it was getting deeper and deeper as we were walking. People are actually trying to help each other because cars cannot move in so much snow because most of the people do not have winter tires. And yeah, this is what Canadians do. They help each other because there is no other way, because if one car doesn't move, nobody else can move, right? Yeah, it's funny as well as it's so good to watch people helping each other. So we came through the other side, but still we're not able to go up. So still struggling. Uh, let's hope we reach there. So if we sorry. So we finally made it. This is our bench covered, all covered in snow. The snow is really serious today. I mean, you can see. We just came out to drink. We just came out to drink. We just came out to drink chai. So stay tuned for the ginger tea.
The eyebrows jam gayi. Oh fuck.
So Toronto recorded a record-breaking snow today, more than 50 centimeters. But that's what they are saying. I feel it's more than 100 centimeters because half of my leg is under the snow. And everything is freezing. You can still see the snow is still going on, and we are over here enjoying the.
It's snowstorm.
It is actually snowstorm. और हमारे 50 biscuits.
My chai.
So let's enjoy it till we can.
Within minutes it's cold now.
Yeah. Well, this is kind of everyday life for people those who live in Canada, especially
People
in the.
are actually out right now.
Yeah, people are actually out right now. I would put in the video. People are enjoying. They are snowboarding. This is actually normal in Canada, and especially in the regions like Winnipeg, etc. Because over there the temperatures goes like minus 40, minus 50s, and there's always snow in winters. And this is the kind of snow over there in everyday life. So hats off to those people who live in those locations. And it's difficult for us. We just came down our building just to have this tea. It took us almost 40 minutes to just reach here. And it's just down the place. Okay.
We'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye.
I'm not able to speak, guys. Oh shoot.
Your face. Okay, bye guys.
Nice meeting you.
Bye bye.
Cheers. as you can see, children are enjoying the snow. They are doing snowboarding, making snowmans, throwing snow at each other. People think that we live in winter wonderland and we do not come out from our homes. We just stay in our igloos, but this is not the case. People do come out during snow time. They enjoy because in winters this is the life that Canadians have, and yeah, they try to enjoy. And even um, younger kids like 3 to 4 years of age, they like to come out in snow and enjoy, and that's very incredible. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please keep supporting my channel. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Stay warm and stay safe. Bye bye.